My name's Williamson. I'm a sophomore here at Lafayette, and I'm an art major.
Cool.
I like to explore, basically. The art that I do is like basically on the cutting edge of like modern progression. Like it's very new styles that is erupted in the past 10 years, and so as an art major here, I want to have a concentration in graphic design and photography. Well, I work on a lot of different stuff. I'm employed by Lafayette, so I do posters for events, and I design logos for certain corporations and stuff. Not corporations, but like little groups within the college. And on my own, like personally, I like to do a lot of different types of photographic-based graphic design and digital artwork. Like I've been working on this new line, this like new project where I'm designing character posters for people. Basically, what I do is I go and I find a person that means a lot to me or has like some sort of like significant impact in my life, and I like get to know that person, or in most cases I already do know that person really well. And what I do is I take a picture of them in a pose that I think represents them, and I will take their fingerprints and I'll take a slogan that they think represents their life. It has to be their own words, like slogan, phrase, like little snippet. And I use all that and I put it together in a piece of artwork, and it kind of like it's like a little piece of work that summarizes the character of the person and what that person and how that person is significant in my life and what they mean to me. And I've done 4 so far. It's a project that's been going on for the past 2 years. I'm working on a new one right now for my friend Dylan, and it's really fun. Like I exclusively use like Adobe software to make my work. I don't do much drawing. I mean, I do a lot of drawing and painting, but for the majority of my artwork, I've created on a computer. So I use programs like Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign. And for video stuff, I use Premiere, After Effects, all that. But like when it comes to making all these pieces, what I like to do is I like to get all the elements that I want to include into the poster. I don't really have a plan of attack. Like, it depends on the piece. Like some pieces I have an exact image in my mind of what I want to create, but other times, like especially for the character posters, I collect all the elements that I want to put into the poster, and then I just sit down on my computer for like 7 or 8 hours, and I just let my mind kind of run, and the piece kind of creates itself. And I try to intertwine like a lot of like personal elements and symbolism that mean a lot to me. So a lot of my pieces, when you look at them, they'll mean something to you, which is the great thing about artwork, is that it means something different to every person, but at the same time it means something very personal to me. It has a very literal meaning for me, not literal, but has very like specific meaning for me, but for other people it can be interpreted very differently, and that's what I love about creating this style of artwork, is that it can go in so many different directions. It's beautiful.